Hey folks, here is the updated Legless Mule and how it will arrive to you in the mail. We have the paddles, we have the body, the risers, the foot's already attached, and the pins. Next I'll show you how to set it up. Okay, so let's set it up. Pop that there. Just loosen up my clamp a bit. It's easy with two people, but you can do it with one. So one thing with the adjustment to the paddles, which we also sell an adjustable length paddle, but these ones are fixed length. If that was too long for my table, rather than cutting the end, you're better off packing it. So just by putting those under there, we'll raise the height, which will then get that to fit better. I guess if you weren't going to move your mule regularly, then that would be fine. But if you cut it shorter and then you go and use it on another table that's taller, then you're going to find they're too short. So to use the paddles, you'll find we've got 3 holes on either side. This means that we can change the width or what we can grab with it, because we can go there, there, there. We can also move all of them right out wide. And then you've got 3 holes for height adjustment as well. So the pin goes through here. We'll start off in the middle, see how we're sitting. And these are the risers, so they just sit into there. And the beauty of the risers is that you can also change the way your piece presents to you as you're using your draw knife. By taking one out, changes the angle, it sits up higher, that makes it level, and also if you need it to sit down lower. Let me just grab a spoon blank and I'll give you a demonstration. So here we have a spoon blank ready to go. You just spread it out, use your feet, that holds it in place. You can see it's nice and firmly in there. I mentioned taking the risers in and out, so that brings it down. That brings it up. You can also hollow out your bowl with a gouge by popping that in there and using a clamp to hold it into place. You don't have to have the riser there to do it, but it just makes it an easier way to do it. So into there and use your draw knife. It's as simple as that. And there you go. Thanks for watching.